Chiropractic adjustment can also increase overall range of motion to help with flexibility in daily activities. Hello, my name is Dr. Kevin Gori and I work here at Bolingbrook Family Chiropractic. Today I will be talking to you about the benefits of chiropractic adjustments. Chiropractic adjustments offer numerous benefits such as pain reduction, improving physical function, and overall whole body wellness. Through a non-invasive approach, it addresses musculoskeletal issues and promotes overall wellness. Low back pain, neck pain, and headaches all respond favorably to spinal manipulation and has been shown to be an effective treatment for both acute and chronic pain. Chiropractic adjustments can also help reduce both intensity and frequency of tension headaches, migraines, and cervicogenic headaches. Chiropractic adjustments are also known to improve physical function by enhancing mobility and by addressing joint fixations. Chiropractic adjustment can also increase overall range of motion to help with flexibility in daily activities. Better posture is also achieved by removing these restrictions and muscle tension. These manipulations also help with increased athletic performance by increasing range of motion and joint flexibility to reduce injury. Another benefit is chiropractic offers an overall body wellness as well. It does this by decreasing pain, so there's a reduced need for medications, which in turn helps with stress relief and improve sleep. So do yourself a favor, give us a call and get adjusted today.